Hello buddies, welcome to our channel. I hope you are all doing good. Today I am going to show you tomato dal, tomato pappu. For this, take a kadai and switch on the flame. Here I am taking 1.5 cup of tur dal and let it fry until it turns into golden brown color. While we are frying this, it releases nice aroma and adds good taste to the dal. Every time when you are going to prepare mango dal or sambar, before cooking you just fry tur dal and start your recipe. It doubles the taste of your recipe. Now wash the dal and take it into a pressure cooker. Add 2 cups of water and 1 tablespoon of salt and turmeric powder. Allow it to cook for 4 whistles. For this, here I am taking 3 medium sized tomatoes, 2 green chilli and 1 onion. Clean all the vegetables and chop them into small pieces. Now take a kadai and add 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Here I took clay kadai. In this add 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds, mustard seeds and 2 red chillies, bunch of curry leaves and a bunch of garlic. This is a ginger garlic extractor. I bought it in IKEA. It is very helpful for me to extract garlic and ginger. Now stir them and add finely chopped 2 green chillies. Now add finely chopped onions into the kadai and add 1 tablespoon of turmeric and salt. Once the onions changes its color, now it's time to add finely chopped tomatoes and allow it to cook for 10 to 15 minutes. In the meanwhile, let's soak a pinch of tamarind to extract tamarind pulp. Once tomatoes got cooked, now flip the tur dal into the kadai and mix it well and add 1 glass of water into it. Now just add tamarind extract with the pulp into it and mix it well. Now close with lid and allow it to boil for 10 to 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, just open the lid and add 1 tablespoon of red chilli powder into it and mix it well. For tempering, take frying pan and add 1 spoon of ghee into it. Add 1 tablespoon cumin seeds, curry leaves and a pinch of hinge to it. Hinge adds nice aroma to the dish. If you don't like it, you can skip it. Stir them well and flip them into a dal. Our tasty and delicious tomato dal is ready. Now it's time to taste. It is a very good dish with rice, dal, ghee and some papads. Today I am going to taste this recipe with brown rice. If you like the recipe, please try it and let me know in comment section. I hope you enjoy this video. Please do like, share and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.